Hi, we are back with another video tutorial on unit conversion. Now for this example, we are trying to apply it like everyday applications that you will be facing your unit conversions. Okay, so for example, you are trying to buy a receiver from online store, for example, any online store that you might think of, and the receiver has the following dimensions: 13.5 by 17.1 by 6.6 inches. Now, you already know that these are units of the volume, length, and the height. Sorry, the length, the width, and the height, which actually is the volume of your receiver. But you want to know this dimensions in a different unit that you're more familiar with, and for example, that unit will be in centimeters. So the task for this video is for you to convert the following dimensions into centimeters. So we need a very important and familiar conversion factor or equivalent statement, and that is 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeters. Okay, so this will be the equivalent statement that we need for our conversion factors for us to convert the following dimensions into the centimeter unit. Okay, so let's do it. Alright, so all you need to do is simply convert this equivalent statement into a conversion factor and use them to convert all the given dimensions in inches so that we can convert them into centimeters. Okay, so remember, for it to work out in your calculation, the given unit rather should be in the denominator for your conversion factor as shown here. Alright, for them to cancel out. So all you need to do now is simply do the calculation for you to get your answer. So the answers are the following: 34.3 centimeters for the first one, 43.4 centimeters for the second one, and 17 centimeters for the third one. Now you must be wondering, when you do the calculations, there are some differences in your answer because I have written here the final answers based on the correct number of significant figures. Now remember, you always base it on the number of significant figures in the given measurements, not on your conversion factors, because they are always based on an equivalent statement, and that is not part of the rules in identifying the number of significant figures. Okay, so this was originally 34.29, so you do a rounding off into 34.3 to report only 3 significant figures. Then this one is 43.434, which is more than 3 significant figures, so you need to do some rounding off as well. Then this one here is actually 16.76, so that is another rounding off for your final answer to be only 2 significant figures based on the 6.6 that was given earlier. Okay, so our final dimension of the receiver in the unit centimeters is 34.3 by 43.4 by 17 centimeters. So this is now the dimension of your receiver that you're trying to buy online in the more familiar unit of centimeters. So that's all for this video. Thank you for listening and continue learning.